In this video, we'll look at UAV drone usage and some of the regulations around it. Now, within Australia, the CASA, the Civil Aviation Safety Authority, is the ones that make all the rules and regulations around drones and all aircraft for that matter, where we can use them, where we can't use them, and how they must be used. So regulations around these areas change all the time. And for drones that are non-recreational drones, they'll require registration soon. And there's various levels of certification around pilot licenses and operator certificates with them as well. There's some basic rules about how we use them in terms of how far we can fly away from objects, how high we're allowed to fly, what's the ceiling that we can fly around, how we can fly around other people, and actually some privacy rules as well around not capturing pictures of other people and flying these drones in a way that's line of sight where we can actually see where the drone is. We also have regulations about how close we can fly to airports or restricted airspaces as well. We also need to fly during the daytime and not around emergency areas that might affect people responding to emergency situation. Now, if we're flying these drones for commercial purposes, well, they need to be registered and have the same sort of conditions for those non-commercial purposes. We also need a remote pilot accreditation, which is basically a short test that you need to do online to apply for that accreditation. There's a few basic requirements around registering those drones in terms of age and basically ensuring that we can fly these drones safely. Our operator accreditation, they're basically wanting to make sure that you understand the rules and ways that drones can be used and should be used and can't be used.